welcome to Vaayusastra's industrial and research presentation. And we are having a conference on prototypes built by students and their research works. And Priya and Sandhya, we can start.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My topic is Intelligent Multi-Terrain Scout and Reconnaissance Rover. So, which means the title represents the is a smart robotic vehicle designed to remove across different types of surface while gathering and sending information. It can be used for exploration, surveillance, and monitoring in areas that might be dangerous or hard for human to reach. This shows our project what we are doing. So first our objective. So objective of the project to develop a robotic system which may detect the hazardous situation in military surveillance before alerting the soldiers with the sensor integrating with robots can be navigated by the Bluetooth. So the main objective of a project is a problem statement which was happened in 2019 Pulwama defect. The 40 soldiers were dead. This makes me to chosen this project, sir. Then our abstract. The abstract, the robot has a camera, gas sensor, and a proximity sensor and temperature. These sensors detect the situations and transfer the data to the node MCU. The node MCU receives the data and store it in ThinkSpeak cloud, which has long time storage. This process can be monitored using the mobile app. Our proposed system is very lightweight and more efficient compared to the existing systems. Next, existing systems. The existing works, there is a lack of integration of sensor. In some systems, there is only a gas sensor or a temperature sensor. In other system, there is only a proximity sensor or only some live cameras. So this may provide a lack of accurate data. Next, literature survey. So first we shared 6 literature surveys. So first literature surveys generating social aware locations for a robot in a human group by image generation using adversarial learning. So it was published in 2023. Its methodology is proposed a GAN based approach for generating social aware standing questions for robots. Next literature survey, aquatic motion planning for mobile robots, process challenges and opportunities. It was published in 2023. So this methodology presented a review of aquatic path planners and their use in surveillance tasks. Next literature surveys developed a lizard-inspired wall climbing robot using pressure-sensitive adaptation. So, which it is a methodology demonstrate potential for surveillance and maintenance application on vital surface. So next slide. Next slide. So existing system. So I explained in existing. Next. The problems statements are they do not combine the existing system do not combine all important features like hazard detection, live monitoring, and remote control in one system. There is a big, heavy, and expensive, making them hard to use in dangerous areas. So they have limited independence and need humans to control. They do not work well in bad weather or enough terrain. So there is a poor network connection, make it hard to send real-time informations. Next slide. The proposed system provide real-time video monitoring using ESP32 cam for field analysis. So then the gas sensor, proximity sensor, temperature sensor to detect hazardous situation. Like the gas sensor detects the poisonous gas like chlorine, mustard, phosphine. These gas are mostly used in military to attack the enemies. And then other is proximity sensor. Proximity sensor detects the weapons when the person hidden in a person hiding. Then other machines. The temperature sensor uses sensor soldier body temperature in the battlefield where the soldier is alive or dead after the battle. Next, the main advantage of a proposed system is mobile monitoring. So we can navigate the robot using the mobile monitoring using Bluetooth module. The battery used in our proposed system can be rechargeable. That's also next. Further PPT are presented by my teammate Sandhya.
This model is equipped with ESP32 cam module for live monitoring and the sensors like gas, metal and temperature. These sensors data will be processed by Node MCU, that is ESP8266 microcontroller, which acts as a central unit, and the processed information from the microcontroller will be sent to ThinkSpeak cloud for storage and real-time monitoring. To operate this manually, here we can use Arduino, Arduino controller to control the rover through mobile app by connecting through Bluetooth. Here the usage of battery is 12 volt 1.3 amps. The battery is given to the power supply and the power is supplied to all the devices which is presented in the rover. For example, if the sensor detects any toxic gases like chlorine, phosphine and carbon monoxide, an alert is sent to the remote system and it detects detected data is stored on the ThinkSpeak cloud for real-time monitoring. Next, sorry, sorry, next.
Hello. Finished?
Hi, sir.
So, audience, if you have any questions, you can ask Priya and Sandhya. And did you guys build a prototype?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have completed only hardware integration, sir.
Can you show the video? Do you have any video footage of it?
No, sir.
Video you have. If you have any video demonstration, you can show it here.
No, sir, we don't have, sir.
Only the image we have, sir.
So you can share the image.
Yes.
Okay. This looks like a rover.
Sir,
What is your topic?
Intelligent Intelligent multi-terrain scout and reconnaissance rover, sir.
Okay. So since it's a multi-terrain scout, uh, see if there is mud, this won't go. If it's a desert, I don't go. So you have to design it like a hovercraft. This can only move inside land, right? That too, what, clear land. Maybe some obstacles it can cross. Did you guys think about it? It's a multi-terrain scout, right?
Yes, sir.
How it will move in different terrains. Or
It will
Adam
be
Tanyar,
navigate.
if there is a place with
Say detect the
the place
obstacles
is filled
using
with
the.
water, yeah, that I can
It will,
understand. But how it will move in water? How it will move in mud?
sir, at the proximity sensor will alert the user, sir, which may detect using mobile app. If there is obstacle before the robot, it will alert the soldier who may operating the robot.
Yeah, the rover has to move forward, right?
Yes, sir.
So there is a place which this rover cannot move. For me, I get a feeling it won't move in mud, water, and all. So the soldier has to move through water, mud, ice, desert, these kind of places. In that places, it will be very tough for this rover to move, right?
Maybe we will implement some ideas to move over this.
Yeah, you have to design something like a hovercraft that this hovercraft can move in land, water, mud, desert. Hovercraft can move anywhere, or you can make it like a drone. A small drone will be easier, better than this rover since it's a soldier vehicle. Consider converting this into a flying robot, like say drone. Maybe that will be easier. That's my input. If anyone have any other questions, you can ask Priya and Sanjay team. Okay, so please update.